Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am reviewing sniper trades. And so I found this on Facebook ads. I think it was Facebook, it could have been YouTube. I think they're on both. And I thought I'd give it a shot, check it out and see what it's all about. So this is their website and it's pretty basic, but there's the information that you need's all here. So I just kind of go through it really quick. So the thing I don't like, I'm going to start off with negative, is it's an anonymous group. So there's no real information about the traders that are given alerts. They do this on Discord, by the way. I'll show you the Discord in just a minute here. And so it's a Discord trading alerts group, and there's no information about the people that are given the alerts, which is not a great start for me. I like to see who it is that's giving alerts. There's just kind of like a stock or AI generated image on the right here, and they just really don't talk much about who actually the people behind these alerts actually are. Um, it is a big community, 1,400 people. I mean, moderate, I guess, moderate sized community, and it's on Discord, like I mentioned. The thing I signed up for was actually their 7 day trial, so I'll leave a link in the description where you can go and get this 7 day trial. Um, just moving around here. 7 day trial for $50, so it's not a free trial. The actual price is fairly high, $200 per month, which is on the higher side. But yeah, there's a 7 day trial for $50. So I thought I'd try it, explore it, and then review it for you guys to see how it might fit your requirements. So there's a bunch of stuff. There's three plans: premium, light, and basic. The premium apparently is the most popular. It's on the private Discord server. It includes sniper trade alerts, market commentary, the tradie tick spots, chat room access, sniper bots, sniper handbook, and educational content with all the day trading strategies. Again, it's $200 a month. So on the higher side for a Discord group. Good. All right, so let's look at the Discord itself. So here is Sniper Trades. It's not too complicated, thankfully. There's sniper guides, which are right here, so they talk about some random stuff, which doesn't really mean a whole lot, seasonality stuff. They've got the particular stock breakdowns and price analysis, some risk stuff. The thing I do like actually the best here is their trade log. So a lot of these rooms don't offer trade logs. This one does. They ran a $5,000 small account challenge back in 2024, and they actually grew it pretty well according to their trade log. Of course, this is all self-reported and hasn't been third-party audited or anything like that. Here it is right here. Sniper Trades. This is one guy that gives out alerts. I think there's two or three that give out alerts total, but this is one guy, the main one, that actually gives out these alerts for the small account stuff. So you can see the portfolio started at $5,000 and ended at 51,000, which is an amazing achievement. We can look here, the dates are on the left, started at the end of 2024, and it took all the way to, let's see, the middle of 2025, so about 6 months or so. So that's pretty impressive. And you can see each trade listed here, the ticker, the strike price and the options, and the purchase price, the gain 100%, 40%, 84%, 100%, yeah, 300%. So if this is true, this is a really good track record. To 10x an account in 5 or 6 months, very impressive. And so I like how they've provided that in this channel at least, which is really nice. They do have a chat channel, so Traders Lounge is quite active. Sniper Trades is the main guy that does these alerts. I'll show you his channel in a minute or two here. But the chat's quite good. It's got fairly active uh, participants, including the main guy here posting about some of the things that are happening. So it's pretty good. Sniper game plan, pretty much as it sounds. It's just some basic information and updates on stocks and all this kind of stuff. This is one of the main channels, Sniper Alerts. Right here. So this is where the alerts come out, and you can see their typical Discord alerts. They're tagged to everyone. You say like when he bought QCOM, when he sold it. In this case, he's selling it here. The 250 calls, bought MU, bought Oracle, sold cash secured puts. So usually it's buying options, but He also does some cash secured puts as well by the looks of it. So these are all the alerts that come out. Thing is, he does give weekly summary trade logs, which is really nice. So there's definitely a plus in his favor, and they all look very positive. He has some big claims, like he's claiming he turned $100,000 account into a million or three million already. So there's some big claims here that haven't got fully backed up proof or even substantial evidence apart from these weekly trade summaries, which kind of look like this. So some of them are day trades, some of them are swing trades. If what he's saying is true, then this is a guy worth following, but it's impossible to tell, like all of these different alert services. There are other ones apart from the main sniper alerts. There's fluid alerts. So there's fluid options alerts, whatever that is. Again, we don't know who these people are or if their track records are actually legitimate or not. But that seems to be the case with all these things. So it's not really that unusual. So these are the fluid options alerts. Looks like the same sort of stuff. MRVL, DDoG, MSFT. They do some trading chart stuff. Never find these things very helpful in Discord channels. All in one, this is where both the people are. I think there's three. There's at least two. There's the fluid options and the sniper alerts. I think that's it actually. So you can just follow this channel if you just want to follow alerts for everybody and nothing else. Whale tracker. It's just unusual options activity stuff. News updates. Just news updates, obviously. Could be kind of helpful if you're following that channel. Trading calendar, frequently asked questions, trade logs, stuff like that. Training videos, how to set up the perfect trading screen, master the market, this kind of stuff. You do get access to the tradie ticks stuff, which is interesting. So if that's included in the price, you get the tradie flow, the golden sweeps, the dark pool prints, all this kind of stuff. And that's from this website right here. If you've not heard of it, it's called Tradietics, and they do an option where you can import your all their data to your Discord. So that's what this guy's doing. If you wanted this data by itself, I think it's about $70 a month. Yeah, or even yeah, for Discord owners, he's paying 200 a month, but for normal people, you're getting 69 dollars a month. So that's all like the unusual options activity and flow and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool that it's included in the $200 membership if it's something that you're interested in, golden sweeps and all that stuff. So you can follow that kind of stuff. Of course, there are alerts as well from Tradie Ticks, bullseye alerts. So they're included here. The only thing I didn't like about these is they're analyzed by AI, and the confidence is often quite low, 62% confident that this will work. And they're all kind of like that. There's no like 80 or 90% confidence or anything like that. So I'm not overly impressed with the bullseye trade ideas. Anyway, that's about it. So to summarize, we have one main guy, Sniper Alerts, don't know what his name is. He is claiming massive profits. To be fair to him, he is posting trade logs, which is fairly unusual. And he posts them fairly regularly. I did notice he does brag quite a bit about how much he's grown his account and how quickly he does, but he does provide screenshots as well. Let's see if we can find a screenshot. I don't know if this is his. I guess that's part of a screenshot. He provides screenshots of his position. So, like here, you can see this is hard to fake. I mean, you can do it, but there's not a lot of benefit from faking this stuff. Gainer lost $32,000. Quantity 100 of these Oracle calls. So he does provide a lot of transparency compared to some servers. Um, in terms of like, does his alerts work and is he really in positions and things? Here's another one, Oracle 57,000. So the evidence points to this being a decent service, but again, you just never really know for sure till you follow the alerts for a long time to let that statistical edge play out. So yeah. Anyway, that's all I've really got to say about it. I'm not going to renew. The trial membership was only $50 for 7 days. I do like what I see, but I'm just not really completely convinced that this is something that I'll benefit from. I have enough services and indicators and stuff to play with as it is. So I think I'll give this one a miss and cancel it before it bills me again for $200. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.